You need to watch this if you struggle with snoring. This shocking tale from 1996 will make you rethink your remedies. In 1996, 26-year-old Mark Gleeson had a snoring problem that doctors said was incurable. Desperate for a solution, his girlfriend, Tracy Lambert, suggested a bizarre fix tampons in his nostrils. They thought it was a joke. But that night, after drinking wine and taking sleeping pills, Mark actually tried it. As he slept, the tampons blocked his nasal passages, and he suffocated. The next morning, Tracy found him unresponsive. An inquest revealed that the combination of alcohol, sleeping pills, and the tampons led to this tragic accident. Mark Gleeson died from asphyxiation, and his death was ruled accidental. This heartbreaking story serves as a grim reminder. Be cautious with unconventional fixes and always consult a healthcare professional. Rest in peace, Mark.